You want to see some shit? Come on in. So, sewage water in the guest house here, along with the bathroom. All right, when it deals with the sewage loss, you've got a lot of bacteria. So we use enzymes to take care of the odor as well as the bacteria. And then what we do is we apply mold prevention as well with our combat solution. So all the wood, the floor gets treated. That way, before you put your drywall and flooring, got your place completely sanitized. All right, folks, as you can see here, we've completely sanitized, we've demoed. Now we're gonna set up our dehumidifier to extract the excess moisture inside the structure here. I wanna go ahead and answer the question, is a sewage backup or a sewage overflow covered through insurance? And it is. It really depends on the type of overflow it is. So in other words, if it is a soft stoppage that caused the overflow, then yes. If the stoppage was caused by roots or a pipe that was deteriorated, then most of the time it's not covered by insurance. So you've really got to determine what the cause is. By doing that is hiring a professional that has camera equipment that can identify. The other thing is what is covered under the insurance policy would be drywall, painting, new floor. The only thing that's not covered is the actual plumbing repair. So if there's a pipe that actually separated or any type of plumbing repairs, that typically is not covered. All right, folks, so some of the things that you have to be aware of in regards to a sewage loss or a sewage overflow, especially when it comes to filing an insurance claim, you've got to follow the proper steps. In other words, photos, documentation. Number two is if there's any like furniture, carpet, towels, anything of value, that needs to be documented as well. Those smaller items need to be placed up in a bag. You need to get receipts for some of those items so you can line item those things out to get you coverage. The second thing is if your house is built before 1980, you're gonna have to bring an environmentalist in to actually take samples of the drywall, the flooring, if there's any asbestos or lead, and you cross-contaminate without those clearance or without an environmental report giving the professional clearance, then you're not going to get covered for any type of cross-contamination. It's very, very, very important to have. That is, once you've got the clearance, is to come in and extract the sewage. You want to go ahead and take that sewage and dump it into clean out or haul it away. You don't want to be dumping that sewage contamination out into the street. Once you go ahead and extract everything, this stage right here, what will happen is the adjuster will come out and actually look at the damages. They'll take measurements, they'll figure out what the cost of damages is in order to figure out what they're going to pay out. The adjuster really needs to come out at this phase before you hire your contractor to put everything back, painting, drywall, flooring. Once you get clearance from your adjuster, at that point, you can now look at the actual dollar amount that you're going to get back. Based on that dollar amount, less your deductible, you'll be able to now hopefully find a contractor that will meet that expectation for you. Well, folks, hopefully this helped answer the question on, am I covered for a sewage overflow or a backup in my home? As always, thanks for watching.